So this is tube prep for fecal sample collection. So if you peek over here, and as you know from working on the study shifts, these are sample collection tubes. And so, obviously you know from Ellen how to do the fecal collection, but I'm gonna quickly make a video for you about how to fill the tubes. And the cool thing about the tubes is you could do this many, many days in advance. As long as the top is tightly shut, the alcohol that we're putting in will not evaporate and be fine. So we're putting about 3 mils of the alcohol, 70% alcohol, into the tubes. It doesn't have to be exact, but essentially we want the fecal sample to be submerged, and that equates to about 3 mils in this tube. So the easiest way to do that is going to be with the repeater pipette. I'll just call it the power pipette, you can see here. And depending how many tubes you're going to fill, you could use the 25 ml serological pipette or the 10, it's up to you. If you are good with counting by threes, you can use this and you could fill, depending on what your comfort level is with the going by threes, you could choose, you could fill this with 27 mils, and then that would give you 9 tubes that you could fill. So in that case though, you have to pay really close attention as you're counting by threes as you fill the tubes each time. So I only have 3 little tubes right now to fill, so I'm going to use the 10. Basic lab stuff is you want to loosen all of your caps before you start so that you're not trying to loosen a really tight cap with one hand while you have your other stuff in your other hand. So I've pre-loosened the caps, got my ethanol, and so here we go. So because I have 3 right now, I'm just going to fill 9 mils. And remember, top is up, bottom is down. So the thing with these is we're not going to be able to take the caps off and lay them on the ground on the bench top, because they'll end up getting contaminated. So I'm going to go to the 6. Like I said, you don't have to be super, super exact. I already have these loosened. Now I'm just going to go to 3, and then the last 3 into that guy. And there you go. One way to check that you have enough is to just make sure that the big part of the spoon is submerged. So you can see there. So again, like I said, it's okay if there's a little bit more or a little bit less, but we want the spoon to be under. There you go. That's it.